Hey y'all, so I've got half a cup of butter, so that's 1 stick of butter, and a half cup of half and half. So I've got a full cup of liquid here. I'm just gonna go ahead and pour that out into our bowl. Then we need 3 eggs and 2 egg yolks. Use a plastic bottle just to suck up the yolks. There's one and a second one. And that's just so easy to do that way. To that, we're adding 1 teaspoon of ground ginger and half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Then pour that into our liquid mixture as well. To that, we're adding half a cup of maple syrup. Such a rich dessert. And to make this even richer, we're adding half a cup of dark molasses. It's gonna be so good, guys. Our final ingredient for this layer is a box of spice cake mix. I'm gonna go ahead and put that all into our bowl. Then dump out the rest of our sweeteners and then give everything a really good mix. This is one of those desserts that you want to make a batch and cut them into like gift-sized pieces and give them to your friends. You're going to want to make a double batch of this because it goes so fast. It is so good, guys. This is a quick and easy way to turn any box of spice cake mix into a gingerbread. It's like really nice and dark like this. Perfect. Take this whole mixture and pour it into a 13x9 pan, just like so. Get that spatula going. You don't want to mix any of this. It's so good. And if that wasn't decadent enough, we're actually going to take a can of this whole berry cranberry sauce, but instead of dumping it out, just go ahead and just kind of mash it up with a spoon. And you want to put dollops of it all over that gingerbread. You can use the regular jelly kind if you'd like. I like using this whole berries cranberry sauce. I think it's really, really nice, especially in a baked product like this. You get like bites of whole cranberries. Okay, once you have that whole can of cranberry sauce kind of dotted all over the gingerbread, just kind of do like a marble kind of swirl. It's gonna be so good. That gingerbread plus this cranberry sauce is gonna be so good, guys. And then this goes into a 350-degree oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. Oh my goodness, that looks so good and it smells amazing. We've let this cool a little bit. I've got a little bit of powdered sugar to go on top. You do have to wait for the cake to cool a little bit, otherwise this powdered sugar is just gonna melt. So once it's at room temperature, you can dust the whole thing. And let's go ahead and dig in right in the middle. Ooh, that is a dense cake. I love it. It's gonna be so moist. Cranberries are gonna make it really, really yummy. Look at that. Okay, put this on a plate. Time to do a little taste test. It's like gingerbread, but fudgier. It's super, super moist. And those cranberries add a really nice touch. You should totally make this. Your family will love it.